then, just a quick one today, just to let you know that another Ghost install on another age of Range Rover. I'll be honest, I forget the different chassis numbers and stuff like that, but this is a 2016 Range Rover Sport autobiography, so it's a well-spec'd one. And yeah, obviously, because as we all know, Range Rover's nice and nickable. People love to nick them, don't want to pay for them. This one is now protected with a Ghost Immobiliser, so works a treat. Obviously, if you don't put your code in, it just doesn't start, doesn't do anything, just sits there as if it's dead. Which is what you want basically. If someone jumps in it and tries to nav it, they can't get away with it. So yeah, nice simple one. Obviously we can't show the install because that's pointless. Yeah, it's all tucked away, it's all nice and discreet, and this car is now protected. So if you've got a Range Rover of 2016, this chassis model, or any other Range Rover, or we've done the Defenders, I think you can do Discoveries and all of those sorts of things, then get in contact if you wanted to get it all protected. We do trackers and stuff as well. So yeah, get your Range Rover protected and stop it getting nicked. Give us a shout, get in contact on the contact form, or give us a call, pop in to see us, whatever. And yeah, another one protected. Keep watching all the videos. See you again soon.